So today we're going to unbox this Instant Pot air fryer air quartz. It finally arrived today. So let me just get this out of the packaging. They package it really nice. So today we're gonna unbox. We're gonna go through all the displays and features, and then we're gonna do the first impression. So let's do unboxing first. What comes in a box? Just open this. So this comes in a box. So this is how it looks like. There it comes with 2 baskets, trays, getting started. Let's remove the tape. There's 1 basket. Ooh, that was pretty tight. It's not broken, okay? Baskets, the tray. Started with the tray. Oh, the tray has a handle for easy placement. So you just put that down there like that. So it did not come with the recipe book. So this is how it looks like so far. There's 2 burners right there. 2 air vents for individual baskets. So far, so good. Okay, before you even clean it, okay, what I normally do with the new appliances, I plug it in if it turns on. So let's plug it in. So right away, the display opens. The display turns on. First one, second one, okay? It says close basket, so it's telling you to put in the basket. Maybe that will allow us to. There you go. You gotta, and it says ready. So when you place the basket the right way, then it will say ready. And then we'll do the other one. There you go. When you push the first basket, the 1 and 2, it will display the menu for both baskets. So according to this, it is an 8-in-1 functionality air fryer. So it comes with the air fry, the roast, the bake, reheat, broil, dehydrate. So I'm gonna wash this, and then I'll put a little water in it, and we'll try each one of the baskets, see if it really works. So I'm gonna add water on the first basket. Put that in there. It says ready. And let's do the other one. And it says ready. So let's push 1 and it will display. And let's push the number 2 and it display as well. Now we're gonna try it. Let's turn on basket 1. So the air fryer, we're gonna test the temp. The temp of the air fryer is from 180 to 400. So that's for both, okay? That's a temperature, how high it could get for the basket. The time, it goes all the way to an hour. That's how far it would go. Okay, so for the sake of this video, we're gonna put the temperature basket 1. I added a water in here because we're doing testing, right? So keep the temperature to 400. We're gonna set the time to 1 minute or maybe 2, and then we're gonna sync cook. Since I pushed the sync cook, that means the sync cook, it will start and it will finish at the same time. If you could still change the time before you start. Temperature, they're all gonna be the same. So it's the same for both, okay? And then we'll hit start. It says preheating. So the air fryer is set to preheat first. So what that means is that when it hits the temperature 400, it's the same as oven, then it starts cooking. So what I noticed so far, preheating is taking longer than expected. So while it's good in other ways, but if you're in a rush, I would probably preheat the air fryer so it reached that temperature before it starts cooking. So right now it's still on the preheating mode and not even cooking. So it's been like almost, I believe, about a minute or so now, and it's still in a preheating. So it takes time to preheat this unit so far. It took about 2 to 3 minutes before it reached that high. So the good thing right here is while it's cooking, you can look if your food is actually cooking inside. So that's a good feature. So this actually is one of the game changer for me, because I don't have to interrupt the cooking. I could see it from outside. Let's see. Okay, it's very hot. For some reason, this other basket is a little bit tight, so be careful. There's that. So that was sync features. Now we're gonna do a sync finish. We will do that. 400, 1 minute, and now let's do to basket 2. We'll keep it at 390, but we're gonna change the time to 3 minutes. So the sync finish supposed to, the first basket will have a waiting time. This second basket will start cooking. Once it hit to only 1 minute left, then both of them will cook at the same time. So let's try that right now. So different temperature, different time, but they're supposed to end or cook at the same time with the sync finish feature. All right. Okay. You see right there, there's the 2 flags. That means they're synced. And we'll start. See right there? This one start cooking first because this has longer time. And this one is on hold. And it waits till there's only 1 minute left of this basket right here, basket 2 cooking, and they cook. And this one will start cooking. And they finish at the same time. So now watch, this is air frying already. This is still preheating. So watch when this goes to 1, then this is gonna start cooking as well. So as you can see, they are gonna end at the same time. Isn't that great? I think that is a good feature for this air fryer. They're gonna be finished at the same time, which is perfect if you want both of the food, the vegetable and the meat, served hot, like at the same temperature. So that is a good feature.
As I mentioned a while ago, it's a little bit bulky, so the width is about 15 inch, the height is about 13, 14 inch, almost there. And then I think this is the depth, or the width was about 10. And with the basket, dimensions are, the length is about 10, almost 10 inches. And the width is almost 7, and the depth is about 3 inches. So that should give you an idea. It comes with the manual, user manual, but disappointed that it didn't come with the recipe book like the Cosori air fryer. So that kind of disappointing. But this has good information right here. So far so good. We're going to revisit the sink cook settings because that just didn't work for me so far. I like this features. I like this air fryer. I'm excited to be air frying lots of good food here, and hopefully on my next video, watch that. We're going to create a video using this air fryer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this give you a little bit of background about this air fryer. Does it worth it? But this is my first impression. It's great product, designed well, and it's plastic, so if you're conscious about that, I will not buy this. But again, watch for my next video because we'll be air frying using this. Thank you so much for watching. Please come back and see us. Subscribe to our channel. Ciao.